In some breaking news that's coming in, the Income Tax Department carried out a search operation on a cable operator from Mumbai who's also a state government employee. A total of 26 premises spread over Mumbai, Pune, Sangli and Ratnagiri were covered. Those are the details coming in at this point in time. This is searches at 26 premises. Income Tax Department carrying out a search operation on a cable operator from Mumbai who also happens to be a state government employee. In fact, those are the details. In the searches, a parcel of land at the Poli was purchased and that was found as well. Let me go across to Hina for those details. Hina, what do we know about this?
Recall that on 8th of March, Income Tax Department officials had conducted searches at around 20-odd premises on individuals and businessmen who were believed to be closely associated with certain Maharashtra ministers and some Shiv Sena leaders. At that time, leaders of Mahavikas Aghadi had once again said that this is yet another way of the centre to misuse its agency like Income Tax Department. Now, Income Tax Department has come out with a statement on the searches that were conducted. So these searches were conducted on 8th of March, and in the statement that Income Tax Department has put out today, it says these searches were on premises belonging to a cable operator in Mumbai and a state government employee and the businesses related to him. This is very, very important. So these searches involved around 26 premises that were spread over Mumbai, Pune, Sangli and Ratnagiri. Now, these belong to a cable operator of Mumbai and a state government employee. And this is important. Now, during the search operation, in fact, the Income Tax Department has found that in the case of the state government official, here I'm talking about an official of Maharashtra government, the searches in his case has revealed that he and his family members and relatives have amassed huge wealth in the form of properties at prime localities at Pune, Sangli and Baramati over a period of last 10 years. It says the family owns one bungalow, one farmhouse in Pune, one lavish farmhouse as well, and two bungalows and some commercial complexes having Tanishq and CaratLane's, showrooms as well. Like this, there are many properties and more than 100 acres of agricultural land that was acquired during the past 7 years. And this is of the Maharashtra government employee we are talking about. Now, the detailed investigation of the sources of acquisition of properties and the amount spent of the lavish interiors of shops and bungalows is still under process. The Income Tax Department is trying to find out, how did he manage to make so much of money in such a short span of time. The family also owns many businesses which include showrooms of electronic products, Tanishq showrooms, civil construction businesses, etc., etc. Now, search operations have also unearthed certain evidences of inflation of contract expenses through bogus purchase and bogus subcontracts, and the amount is over 27 crore rupees. There is unaccounted cash receipt of 2 crore rupees in the sale of a land parcel in Baramati that has been detected as well. The search action overall has also led to seizure of 66 lakh rupees in cash. There is digital data and documentary evidence that has been seized. The Income Tax Department officials are still going through the details because they feel there is huge tax evasion as well in this particular case. And this is the reason why, after credible information was gathered, the department went ahead to, conduct these search operations. But remember, you will, know on 8th of March, when the searches were continuing, when Mirror Now had first reported this story, the first reaction we got was from Mahavikas Aghadi government, and the leaders of Mahavikas Aghadi, who just tried to suggest that this is nothing but yet another case of political vendetta. Center is using the agencies to target Maharashtra government. But today, the Income Tax Department has come out with a detailed statement as to what exactly came out of these searches that were conducted on 8th of March at 26-odd premises. And these belong to a cable operator in Mumbai and a state government employee.
All right, Hina. Thank you so much for getting us those details.